Hey everybody and welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to safely upscale an image after multiple Nano Banana edits without losing quality or changing the character. So one of the most common reason that happens is after many edits, the image gets soft, blurry, etc. Details get washed out, etc. So you can just go over and upscale early and that should, confirm it. So before upscaling, what we need to make sure is that our background here is final. After many edits, the background, you should lock it up. So you can just go over and make sure that the background is final and you can lock the final image. For that, you can type in this kind of prompts like preserve the image exactly, not changing the composition, phase, or details and saying that is the final image and hit enter. And that should give you the results. Once you do so, you can just go over and upscale the prompt. In order to do so, once you get the results, you can type in something like this kind of prompt, like upscaling the image to a higher resolution. You may just go over and type in something like this kind of prompt and hit enter. After you do so, you will be getting the result that you're looking for. Your image will be converted into a higher resolution. It should also enhance your sharpness and the fine details. And apart from that, you can even choose the right upscale level. Like if you want 2x upscale or 4x upscale, you can just go over and do so. You can add this line if needed, which is something like this. Hit enter. That should avoid the oversharpening or artificial textures and create a perfect image that you were looking for. So you can just go over and follow up those prompts. You can even use other prompts to upgrade the quality of your image that you're looking for. You can upscale the final image to a very high resolution and preserve all the original details in the composition and enhance your clarity and texture naturally. And that's it. That's it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions or let's say prompts you can follow up to go ahead and enhance your image, upscale the image. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.